see on camera.
Thank you, judges, for small. Mr. Lee, would you like to invite me to stand in the middle of us? Mr. Lee. Hello, panelists. I would like to thank you for your kind attention and the fun throughout our presentation. So now we take a look at your system architecture before we head on to the physical setup. So first off, we have the modular fuel cell. As I was talking about just now, it's called the MFC 100. So why is it called the MFC 100? It's because it produces a maximum of 100 watts. So we also have the MFC 200, MFC 300 and above. But however, in this case, we only use the MFC 100. So next we have a battery, a 100 mAh battery that's powering the CCTV. So why do we have a CCTV in this project here? So the purpose of this project, right, is actually to partner with SPF. And what they want is that they want to deploy this to a location like maybe Chinatown, where things happen there, and then they want to record what is happening and to give surveillance to that location so that they can monitor what is happening at that location. But they're only able to monitor the CCTV. Like they want to see the working condition of the modular fuel cell, like what is the voltage, what is the voltage, what is the current produced by the MFC. So how do we do that? We have a microcontroller here called the MyRail microcontroller. So Jonathan, please. Yeah. So what that does is that it will extract data from the modular fuel cell using serial communication, and then it will send the data to our cloud-based visualization platform, SystemLink Cloud, using the 4G router and also the 4G antenna over there, which is hooked up with our 4G router. So last but not least, we have all the end users over here. We have the development machine over there, which is at the headquarter, and then beside it we have the remote data logging machine. So just now I handed everyone a QR code to scan. So that is when you have your mobile devices here. And we also have a tablet that we have set up over there. So I'll bring the tablet over. So this interface is really powerful because we have it on our tablets, we have it on the phone, we have it on the computer as well. So if let's say SPF, they want to travel around Singapore, but they don't want an engineer to be on site all the time. So what they can do is that they have an iPad, as long as they have Wi-Fi connection to it, they can access this web page and then they can see the parameters of the modular fuel cell. Okay, what is the burner temperature? What is the catalyst temperature like? What is the purifier temperature like? Or what's the fuel level? Okay, so in this case, our fuel level we only use 1 and 0. So how is that functioning? We have a sensor over there. So what it reads is that you will read the amount of fuel left. So that's not very conducive. Hence, we have Jonathan's method, the trapezoidal rule, to predict roughly how long it will take to deplete 20 liters of methanol in one carboy. So one carboy is roughly about 20 liters. Okay, so right now, after we have seen the system architecture, I would like to invite Jonathan here, where he will be showing us this feature that we have created. So it's an alarm notification, which Jonathan, would you like to share with us more about it?
So right here, right now, this one is a temperature sensor but at another simulated MFC system. So maybe it could be at Woodlands, it could be at Changi, anywhere across Singapore. So this temperature sensor, it only is the simulated measurement of the ambient temperature of the cabinet. So I have this hair dryer here. So it is to blow into the sensor into this to simulate the abnormal temperature. So this abnormal temperature will be above the threshold that is set inside the headquarters. So it will send out the email notification to the clients to view the MFC abnormal temperature.
So this thing that you have seen over here right now is to notify the users that an alarm has been triggered. So it will send an email to Jonathan here, where he will show us how the email, the caption and the text will look like.
So this is the email notification that is being sent out from this headquarters here, so into my phone. So it's to visualize and to see where is the MFC located and also the temperature that was last recorded. Where is it in a normal temperature, example 70 or 80 degrees, which is very unhealthy for the MFC also. So this is one special feature and it's called the alarm notification from this headquarters here. So that you can do this one. No, this one is at another location. This one is a simulated at somewhere across Singapore, another location such like Woodlands or in Changi. This is away. So this one.
In this
assistant running your computer here, right?
Sorry, just logging in the computer.
Yeah, this is the computer, right?
Yes.
So the email trigger actually happened here.
Yes, it will happen here and it will send through my phone here. So there's like this email, there'll be this notification called email groups.
But the sensor is supposed to monitor, is there any abnormal temperature for your MFC, right?
For this case,
For the chamber or whatsoever, so that
this
you
case,
are,
okay, so for
then
this
you will
case,
alert, then someone will say, hey, my something is.
yeah, something's not right. And
So by right, the screen should be inside this, is it?
no, because we didn't have our own temperature sensor, which is called the TMP36 already. So now it is already monitoring the
ambient of the
yes,
whole
the whole everything.
What happens? What is this? So because I don't get your, what is the purpose of it?
Okay, so this purpose of it, right, is to simulate, example like an MFC that is not working or not functioning properly. This is like a simulated one, so it's like at another location. So it is
Which,
like
I thought this is your MFC, right? So
Yeah.
by right, this one should goes together with your MFC, lah.
If I can jump in,
Ah, okay.
actually what they are trying to do is to, because we don't have another set of MFC system,
okay.
so he's trying to simulate another
Another
system
system of
remotely another place.
Okay.
Understand,
So I mean, because the thing confused me is that because it's a computer system, right? If we simulated another site, should be running in my real thing, right? You should not deploy a computer here.
Correct. Yeah.
So is this program? My question is that is this program
Together.
deployable in my real, or it can be only deployed in a computer?
this one will be only be deployed inside the computer because this one it is provided by an iSystem link server, which only can be configured on the PC
Yeah,
itself.
then
only.
it's like kind of cost because you have to use
Yeah.
this system to monitor one of the MFC, right, at another place. But how come the other side your architecture is using the microcontroller, but here you are using the computer?
Yeah.
No, actually for simplicity, actually they can put another Mario to monitor separately.
Correct.
That means the whole thing can be
Should
duplicated.
tied
Yeah,
together
yeah,
to one
Yes,
source,
yes,
make it
correct.
one central location.
Correct.
This
correct.
was something that we tried to look into, but there was a limitation in which the My Real controller, it doesn't have this functionality.
You're
where-
sending the
Yeah, correct.
samples.
Correct. So
Because the small transmitter, 4G transmitter for the OS Linux. So
Yeah.
we don't plug into that device. That one's from the manufacturer. So later on, the bypass is we use Wi-Fi, talk to the transmitter. So then you need signal for the 4G transmitter to send out signal.
Okay.
So you just use some, alternative better. Actually, the best way, we don't need all of these, just one transmitter original. The other one is harder coding, because then we have to talk to the manufacturer. Whether you give us the code, I'm not very sure.
The other one is in your website. I see a stop. There's a stop button. Is this one can send back the signal to trigger or deactivate or activate certain actuator here?
okay, so the purpose of the stop, right, is actually not to control anything. Is because let's say if SPF, right, at this instance they spot that the burner temperature is above a certain threshold, like 700 degrees, they can stop the web VI and everything will be like screenshot.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
I mean, is there a need for the SPF, for example, the start remotely off or on certain device?
Cannot.
The function is not there yet.
Not yet.
It's a one-way direction.
Okay.
Not for monitor.
Monitor.
Yeah, then the other direction control, bi-directional comp is not there yet. So can be done.
By right, it should be one system. I can see for instance site 1, site 2,
operate.
Yeah.
site 3,
Yeah.
Right.
Actually, eventually, this logo changes. For example, now you have Clementi one. So this one show you Clementi. But now it's near Molly. Yeah. So eventually, because they have 27, all different locations. So here's the location. Maybe here is the GPS.
Yeah.
So-
Maybe like a heat map.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One question. This one by right is supposed to show the same as yours, is it?
Yes, correct.
But how come my viewer level is not there?
Okay, we are trying to be because sometimes it takes a while to load up
You know?
various parameters before it shows. So sometimes it takes a while.
Okay. No scan? Also don't have green.
Huh?
No, have already, okay.
Is it the same?
Some delay.
And you can, as long as one of them can.
So I think this happens